Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to update the DNS settings on your computer so your Wi-Fi connection uses Cloudflare's public DNS. This can help with faster browsing, improve privacy, and more reliable domain name lookups. We'll be doing this on a laptop, but the general flow is similar on many Windows devices. To begin, open the Settings app on your computer. This is where you'll manage your network and internet options. Once Settings is open, make sure you're working on the laptop you want to configure, since DNS settings are applied to the specific device and connection you're using. Next, look to the top right area where your Wi-Fi options are shown and select your current Wi-Fi connection. After that, click on Wi-Fi to open the full wireless network settings page. From there, choose the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to so you can edit its details directly. Once you're inside the connected network settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled DNS Server Assignment. This is the area that controls which DNS provider your computer uses when visiting websites. By default, this is often set automatically by your internet provider. When you find DNS Server Assignment, click Edit. A settings window will open. In that window, you'll see that the DNS option is currently set to Automatic. Click on Automatic, then change it to Manual. This tells your computer that you want to enter a custom DNS server instead of using the default one. After switching to Manual, turn on IPv4. This enables the field where you can type in the DNS address. In the DNS field, enter 1.1.1.1. This is Cloudflare's primary public DNS server. Once you've entered it correctly, click Save to apply the change. After saving, your computer should begin using the new DNS setting for that Wi-Fi network. If the change doesn't seem to take effect right away, a quick disconnect and reconnect to Wi-Fi can help refresh the connection. Also, be sure you enter the address exactly as shown, since even a small typo can prevent it from working properly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your DNS to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 on your computer.